So the updates we've got for you guys on AkashNetwork will blow your mind. Well, I'm hoping so. Only if you're interested in making money or saving cash, that is. You recall, when we first spoke of AkashNetwork, we did state that the legacy cloud computing industry will be turned upside down, and today we may just have some data pointing in that direction to confirm that trend. Guys, I think it's coming, just a matter of time, so keep watching. Hi guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv once more, back with another video, and today we are bringing you a quick update on AkashNetwork. So as a recap, what is AkashNetwork and why am I so bullish on Akash? Well, AkashNetwork is a decentralized cloud marketplace where tenants purchase cloud-grade compute in an open market from providers in a permissionless manner. The AkashNetwork is maintained by a network of validators and is governed by AKT's token stakers. In this video, we're going to do some price comparisons between AkashNetwork's fees or prices versus some market leaders within the cloud computing industry. So we have Amazon Web Services, which is an Amazon business. We have Azure, a Microsoft business, and Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, obviously Google. Yes, Akashi is a long way to get to anywhere where these big boys are, but that's the whole point. Akashi is a disruptor to these legacy businesses. Let's have a look at some of the charges on a monthly basis. The prices will be based on the following. So you got Virtual Centralized Processing Unit, or VCPU, at a chosen memory or RAM, and disk space or storage. So we'll be looking at the price at 1 gigabyte of RAM and 1 gigabyte of space, 2 gig of RAM, 4 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of, I think you get the picture. So at 1 gig of both memory and storage, you have Amazon Web Services, it's charging $32.82 per month. Google Cloud Platform is charging $36.14. Microsoft's Azure is charging $39.37. So you can see AkashNetwork versus these three giants is almost 84% cheaper. You get the picture? There you go. If we look at 2 gigs for both memory and storage, Amazon Web Services charges $36.06. Google Cloud Platform charges $39.74. Microsoft Azure charges $43.26. What about Akashi? It charges $7.08. That's a massive 82% cheaper than those three. Okay, if we move on higher up to 4 gigs of both memory and 4 gigs of storage, Amazon Web Services charges $72.13. Google Cloud Platform charges $79.44. Microsoft Azure charges $86.52. You get the picture? Some of their prices are almost like they're discussed before they charge them. I'm not trying to accuse anyone of anything here. That's what I'm reading here, because they're so close to each other. AkashNetwork charges for the same 4 gigs of memory as well as 4 gigs of storage. AkashNetwork is charging $14.08. That's a massive difference of over 82%. So AkashNetwork is 82% cheaper than those three big ones. If we go on to 8 gig of both memory and storage, Amazon Web Services charges $85.12. Google Cloud Platform charges $93.82. And then Microsoft, $102.08. That's a lot. What does AkashNetwork charge? $19.08. I'm sure if more nodes or more providers join, this will come down a lot as well. So Akashi charges $19.08 and it's cheaper by almost 80%. Work that one out. A correction, storage, it's all 1 gig, okay? Not 8, like I was saying, or 4. It's all 1 gig memory, 1 gig storage, 2 gig memory, 1 gig storage, 4 gig memory, 1 gig storage, 8 gig memory, 1 gig storage. Now on to 16 gig memory and 1 gig storage. Amazon Web Services charges $111.09. Google Cloud Platform charges $122.59. Microsoft goes going to be the most expensive one, $133.21. And what does AkashNetwork charge? AkashNetwork charges $29.08, which is 76.22% cheaper than those three. So AkashNetwork is a lot cheaper than all these giants of cloud computing services or cloud computing service providers. Of the legacy players, Amazon Web Services is cheaper than the other two, and Microsoft is more expensive. So Google has found a space for itself in between those two giants. No, all three are giants, but there you go. Are these justified, these prices? I don't know. You tell me. I just think it's too much for what they provide. As you can tell from these figures though, blockchain products that are decentralized could seriously pose some huge challenges to these legacy players. Granted, there's still going to be a trust issue as far as blockchain technology is concerned. But as users start gaining faith in decentralized blockchain-based solutions, this picture could change quite significantly. For example, if you run a business and someone comes to you and says, I can save you between 75 and 80% of your cost just by switching to a new technology that is also permissionless and decentralized, which means you're not subjected to restrictions unless you pay what the service provider now charges, then this is a win for you. In my line of work, I've fallen victim to the likes of Dropbox and even Google Cloud Platform, where the terms get changed in the middle of a financial year, for example, and the fees, they just get high, get a whim. That destroys any loyalty built over whatever time period one might have spent with that service provider. Here are some of the key metrics for AkashNetwork that could be pivotal to this project's effort to succeed and probably take more market space from these giants from the legacy industry. At the moment, current active providers, as of today, there are about 49. It's not a lot. Active leases, this is actually clients leasing space and memory from AkashNetwork. There are about 418 of them. Okay, just a start. Memory usage is only at 5.3% with over 94% available. Compute resources, only 13.5% used and over 86% available. Storage capacity, only 5.52% used with over 94% available. So you can see the picture. Do you guys see the same picture I'm seeing here? Let me know down below what you think. What will happen to the legacy industry as far as cloud computing is concerned and the blockchain solutions that are being offered and proposed by the likes of AkashNetwork, the project on the Cosmos blockchain. Question for you guys today. Is AkashNetwork services something you would consider one day? Do you think these legacy players will let go that easily if a new challenger like AkashNetwork turns up and threatens to turn their industry upside down? Let us know in the comment section and let me know how far do you think they'll go in order to prevent that from happening. Until next time, guys, this was just a quick one on some data I came across on AkashNetwork, and we'll keep digging and we'll keep finding all this information and bring it to you guys so you can make an informed decision and maybe have an understanding why from time to time we are so enthusiastic and bullish on some of these projects we pick. Until next time, this is FD signing out. Bye for now.